Are we vibrate? We're vibrating. Vibrating, baby. Vibrate with me. Vibrate. Anybody know the vibrators? Good morning, everybody. It's Car Show Day, and today is one of my favorite shows to go to. Now, if you follow my Instagram recently, you saw me post on Reels. One of my favorite moments from 2021, I believe it was, with my buddy Shiny picking me up here at the pad and us going to Mooneyes together in his fantastic hot rod truck. A big shout out to my buddy Shiny, who lives in Kingman, Arizona now, and is a little far for him to come pick me up in Southern California. But I digress. From Mooneyes Open House. Mooneyes Open House is today. I love this show. It is not far from my place. It is in, of course, the Santa Fe Springs, right on Norwalk Boulevard in sunny Southern California, which is, I just looked out the window, it is actually a little gray this morning, but that'll burn off and it'll be a beautiful sunny day in Southern California. I am super excited about the show. It is always a blast. I mean, they fill both sides of the streets and parking lots around Mooneyes, and Mooneyes itself is full and tons of people, and I'm expecting to see a bunch of friends and some cool cars. Let's go check out some cars.
brother.
okay, I gotta admit it, not really back. Well, I'm back in my place. It's after Mooneyes. I'm shooting this a week later. I got done with Mooneyes, came home, started editing photos and putting all the video stuff together to put it together. And yeah, this is actually a few days later. A few days later than getting back from Mooneyes. It's just been a whirlwind of chaos and fun in this wonderful automotive industry. But let's go back to Mooneyes. Mooneyes was, to be honest, I think that was the busiest I've ever seen that event. Both sides of the street packed. The burger joint that's next door to Mooneyes was probably the fullest I've ever seen that. And then the Party Supply place, which is on the opposite corner, full down both sides of the street. Mooneyes full. Tons of spectators, like probably the most I've seen. Now, part of it is Mooneyes is kind of a crapshoot every year, whether it's going to be hot or not. And last weekend, it was still cool in Southern California. So coolish. I mean, the 80s. So as I'm speaking right now this week, it's been in the 90s. So it was cool. It was fun. Lots of friends. Some over-the-top great cars. That event always brings some great cars. And what's fun about it is that because it's not like you pay to get in, you park kind of car show, they just kind of keep coming and going. So, I mean, like I had my buddy Rick from the Aces Car Club, who told me earlier on when I posted I was going to Mooneyes that he wasn't going to be there because El Mirage Racing was that weekend also. Not on Saturday. Saturday's Tech and whatever, and they were racing Sunday, but he had to be out there Saturday. But he decided to come anyway. So in the morning, I saw his car. Then I ran into him, and it was good seeing you, Rick. And yeah, so and he was gone early, so he could go help getting the cars tech that he works with, and because he wasn't racing his belly tank right now. Now Rick is also a Bonneville 200 mile an hour in his flathead powered belly tank, which is awesome. But such a great turnout for that event. Mooneyes, I love the fact that you are still such part, for as many years as it's been around, that you're still a huge part of the car community and car culture in Southern California. And I always did go into that show. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for checking out the video, and we will see you the next show.